The human ear is exposed to a multitude of loud noises. People who live in close proximity to large factories and industrial areas are particularly affected by noise. But this is not the case in the town of Sindelfingen in Baden-Württemberg, Germany. You would never guess that Daimler's largest factory is located here. It certainly does not sound like it. In the Goldbergstraße in Sindelfingen, everything is quiet. You would never suspect that each month over 30,000 Mercedes-Benz passenger cars of the class C, E, S, CL and CLS are produced here. And in order that the residential area is not disturbed by the machine noise, Daimler came up with an idea. Due to a monitoring system, it is now possible to permanently track the amount of noise emitted from the factory. We have a very large factory with a great deal of very complex technology, and we also have a residential area in close proximity. With all these factors in mind, it is very important for us to ensure that the residential area is not negatively affected. With the continuous sound monitoring, we have a tool to help us manage the noise effectively. The vehicle shell and the paint finish produce the most noise at the Mercedes-Benz plant. The hand device reads a whole 75 decibels at the paintwork exhaust air decontamination system. With the use of soundproofing, the production noise has become considerably less, as Martin Scheckeler, engineer for process technology at Daimler, knows. I took a measurement with the soundproofed housing closed and a measurement with the factory door open. Here you can see very clearly that the sound is effectively reduced by use of the housing. With the soundproofed housing, you reduce the sound value by a good 5 or 6 decibels. 6 weatherproof microphones are installed on top of the factory roof, close to the residential area. We are now on the roof of Building 7, the body shop. Next to me is one of the continuous acoustic monitoring microphones. This records the factory noise emissions 24 hours a day. The advantage over an individual measuring system is that we can include all other noises like traffic noise and also internal traffic. The data is then stored every half an hour as an average value, and this can be called up and analyzed at any time. With this approach, Daimler received no complaints from the residents in the last years. Thus, peace and quiet in the Goldbergstraße in Sindelfingen is guaranteed. Naturally, the production of passenger cars creates noise, but the residents don't have to hear it.